Good everyone, you're welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit this kind of stopwatch or timestamp effect. Okay, how to add a stopwatch to your video. Maybe you want to edit a food competition video or any competition video that you are going to need with the timestamp. Okay, the stopwatch to start counting on the screen. Okay, we've seen it in different videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your timestamp effect. Let's call it effect. How you can get your timestamp effect, your stopwatch, how you can add it to your video using your CapCut. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's head over to CapCut. So here on CapCut, so I've already added my footage. Okay, you know how to do that. You just go to new project, add your video. Now this is what you are going to do. I already have a time stamp here. Okay, so now let me show you how to get this time stamp. It is very straightforward. Okay, so let's close this CapCut. Now for those of us using iPhone, this is how to go about it. And for those of us that is using Android, I believe that you can always find a way around it. Okay, if you don't know how to go about it, just go to your YouTube and search for how to use or how to locate the stopwatch on Android phone in case if you don't know how to do that. So I'm going to be using this one as an example, which is my iPhone. So let's go over to clock. Can you see clock? You go over to clock. Good. So under this clock, we have the word clock, we have the alarm. So you come over to stopwatch. Now this is what you are going to do. Okay, so you are going to reset it. Make sure everything is on 00000. You understand? So now, so once you get to this place, this is what you are going to do. Please pay close attention. You are going to screen record the timing here. So once you go over to your phone, you go over to your recording. Make sure you have click on the recording first. Okay, make sure the recording has started. So you just tap on that. Okay, once it gets to that time that you want to stop, all you just need to do is to click on stop, and automatically it will be saved. Okay, you now stop your screen record and you bring it to your CapCut. I hope you understand. So let me give you an example. I've already screen record some parts here. So let's go over to overlay. I just want to give you an example. Add overlay. So this is it here. Can you see? This is what I'm talking about now. This is what I'm saying. Make sure you see, as you can see that I screen record this process. So I'm going to add it. So once you add it to your CapCut, go over to transform. So you're going over to resize. So you're going to resize it like this. Make sure you crop out the part that you don't want, your wanted part. So you're going to crop it out. So you're going to have it like this. You're going to mark it. So once you mark it, let's bring it over to here. Our video. Let's bring it over to our video. Okay, now this is it here. So this is what we're going to do. You can decide to leave it like this. Okay, you can decide to leave it like this. You can decide to leave it like this. Make sure it starts from 000. That's what I told you. Okay, maybe I should just move it to one side so that we can see that. So this is it. No delay. So let's split here. Let's bring it back. So this is it. Can you see? So you can decide to leave it like this, but if you feel like okay, you don't like it this way, okay, maybe you don't like it this way, all you just need to do is select it and go back to splice and go back to filter. Can you see? So you will remove the black background, so you're going to have it like this. So this is how to edit this time stamp. Okay, so we are going to delete this one. I don't need this one. I have a time stamp here, which is this one is more bold than this one. Okay, if you need this one, You can check the description below. You're going to find this one there. Okay, you're going to find it there. So let's go over to delete. So this is what you're going to do. You just bring this one to overlay, bring it to overlay, go over to overlay. So once you bring it to overlay, so you're going to use your two finger to pinch it. So you're going to bring it down. So we're going to go over to splice, over to filter. You're going to mark it. So you're going to bring the time here of visibility. So you're going to have it like this. So this is how to add the timestamp to your video. You may feel like, okay, I don't want to add this milliseconds, okay, and you don't want to add this milliseconds. This is how you are going to go about it. So you're just going to select it and go over to mask. Okay, you want to remove that milliseconds, which is this last digit, these two last digits, over to mask. So we'll now go back to rectangle. So go over to rectangle. So with this, you can be able to move it. So you can just mark it like this. Automatically you will move it. So you can just come over here and place it like this. Can you see? So this is how to edit this video. So once you're done, just come over and increase your resolution and export video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do what to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video to as many groups as possible. Click on post notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing tutorial like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So you are good to go. I just need to do is to click on export and your video will be exported. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in my next tutorial.